Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and the other video I made was on how many Teslas were produced and sold in 2018, and that was absolutely amazing. But this was a very amazing year for EVs altogether. Yes, Tesla is responsible for more than 50% of it. So I'm going to give you some key numbers. So far, and not all the numbers are in, but most of them are in. EVs and plug-ins sold in America in 2018, 356,643. The number will grow, I would say, by couple thousands when it's all said and done. But either way, it's 75% more EVs and plug-ins sold in 2018 than in 2017. And the one that's responsible for most of it is, for more than 50% of it, is Tesla, which sold more than 190,000 in 2018. So give you the big numbers. So Model 3, which sold 25,250 only in the month of November, their biggest month ever, altogether sold in 2018 139,782. Second place, believe it or not, the Toyota Prius Prime with 27,595. Then the Tesla Model X with 26,100. After that, the Tesla Model S with 25,743. The Chevy Volt with the V, 18,306. The Honda Clarity, the plug-in hybrid Honda Clarity, 18,211. Not too bad at all. Did really, really well. Chevy Bolt with the B, 18,019. And Nissan Leaf used to be number one. Now it's the last one in the big category, in the big six category, big five category, with 14,715. Two things to note for this number, for the numbers of this year. Two very important things to know. A, Tesla is losing half of the federal tax incentives. GM will lose their full tax incentive in April. Very interesting. GM will no longer produce the Chevy Volt, which is responsible for more than half of what GM sold. Let's see what they come up with. Very interesting to see when is the 2019 Nissan Leaf will come out. I know that is going to be delayed. We'll see how the Kia Soul EV long range will do. We'll see how the Kia Niro will do. We'll see how the Hyundai EV will do. That's coming up, and on and on. A lot of new products and a lot of new EVs that coming up this year. I think I said it in a different video. This year I'm going to focus more on pure EVs. I'm going to give you other numbers of plug-in hybrids, but I'm going to focus much more on just pure EVs because so many of them are coming up, and let's see how they do, who is going to produce and who is going to deliver. That's why what Tesla did is so incredible. You know, there's a lot of cars out there. Are they produced? Are they delivered? Can you charge them? Can you travel with them long distance? That's the key things. That's why Tesla's success story is so amazing. All right, so these are the numbers. If you have any questions, clarification, and predictions, let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And please support this channel by becoming a patron. And you can shop at my Electric Israeli store. See you tomorrow, guys.